So today we will start about the keywords. All of you, okay? So all of you guys, keywords concept not there, right? Keywords concept not there. So means previous video, the concept is explained, but that audio are not recorded, guys. Okay, some problem, not recorded, right? Just I repeat, guys. Just in 2 minutes, I repeat. Just be patient and listen, guys. All of tell me now. What is a keyword, guys? All of you. What is a keyword? Anyone, guys? Anyone? Yesterday who understood the concept, let me know. What is a keyword? What is a keyword, guys? All of you. All of you guys, please give a reply. What is a keyword? Keyword is a reserved word, guys. Reserved word. Reserved word means, suppose, guys, we want to go to a hotel. What do? We book that table, right? We book that table. If you book that table, then the table allocated for us for that specific time. At that time, nobody can use that one. Or I want to go to hometown, we book a ticket, we book a seat. That means that seat allocated for us. Nobody can come and occupy that one for that journey, right? That means a word which is reserved by some default meaning is called a keyword, guys. A word which is reserved by some default meaning, that is called a keyword. That is called a keyword, guys. Okay. So here, and to get the, suppose in English, guys, let's take in English. In every language, keywords are there. Take the English, Hindi, Telugu, Marathi, Tamil. In spoken languages, in programming languages, in every language, keywords are there, guys. And here, for simple point, guys, some people say that some language very easy, some language difficult language, like that. I'm talking about the programming languages. Okay. So how to decide which is easy to learn, which is difficult to learn means based on the number of keywords also, guys. If more keywords are there, it is not easy. It takes a little bit more time to learn. It is a little bit difficult to learn. If less keywords are there, it's easy to learn. It takes less time to learn, guys. The best example, for example, Python, Java, guys. In Python, there are 35 keywords as per this version. But in Java, I hope more keywords are there, guys. Above like 60, 70, above like that keywords are there. Means which is double than this Python keywords, guys. Double than this Python keyword. That's why learning Python very easy compared to other languages. Okay, not English, guys. Sorry, it's about Python. In Python, 35 keywords, not English. Okay, sorry. So suppose in English, let's take one word, guys. All of you. Let's take suppose head is there, right? Head, guys. HEAD, head. It is a keyword in English, guys. Why? It has a default meaning. It has a fixed meaning in English, so it's a English keyword. Take suppose I. I also has a default meaning. You cannot change the meaning of I now. All of you can change the meaning of I. Can you change the meaning of EYEI? No. We cannot change. Why? It has a fixed meaning. This English keyword cannot change. I take one more. Let's take any word. Suppose leg is there, or suppose let's take listen, right? It's also an English keyword. It has a specific meaning. We cannot change. But take the one more word, guys. Something A, B, C, D, like this. So, is it English keyword, all of you? Let me know. Is it English keyword? All of you guys, let me know. Maybe they are English letters only, but it's not an English keyword because there's no specific meaning for that word. No meaning for that word. That's why not English keyword. Okay. The same case in every language, guys. Let's take Python also. Some keywords are there. In Python also some keywords. For example, def is there. Def is a Python keyword. Why def? To define the Python functions. Okay, next for is there. For also Python keyword. Why for? To write the for loops, iterations. Take the while also keyword, Python keyword, why write the while loop. Like that, lot of keywords are there. But in Python, I'm writing always write a program like this. Write a program. So here in Python, write is a keyword? No. Program is a keyword? No. Right? So they're not Python keywords, guys. They're not Python keywords. It's Python keyword like def for while, like so many are there. All of you. Okay. So we cannot change these meanings, guys. We cannot change these meanings. Why? They have a specific meaning already. They have a specific functionality already. That's why all keywords are reserved by a specific meaning already. Okay, all of you guys, right? So like that in Python, how many keywords are there? You can observe now. How many keywords are there here? There are 35 keywords, guys. 35 keywords in a simple way. So here, how many are there? Observe now. So a 4, 4, 1, right? 9, 9, right? 9. And how many rows are there here? How many rows are there? 8 rows, 4 rows, right? Okay. So 4 rows, guys, right? So 4 into 9, how much? 36, right? 36. But here, one keyword is not there. Okay, that's why how many? 35 only. How many? 35 keywords, guys. 35 keywords in Python. And recently in one interview, guys, they asked tell me some keywords. What you remember? Tell me some keywords. And someone asked in Python, what keywords starts with capital letter? What keyword starts with the capital letter? Like only false, none true. This only starts with capital letter, guys. Remaining all small letters only. Remaining all small only, guys. And you may ask me, sir, we don't know what is false, what is class, what is from, what is global, sir. Please explain one by one. You may ask me, guys, now. You may ask me, but remember, guys, if you try to learn all keywords in 1 hour class, that means you are trying to learn entire Python in 1 hour class, which is not possible as a beginner. As a beginner, it's not possible to learn all keywords in 1 hour class, in a 1 day class, in a 1 week class, not possible. Why? Because they belongs to a separate topic, sir. Suppose class is there. Class is what? Oops concept, guys. Or from is there. Import. They belongs to what? Modules concept, right? You can see for loop is there, right? For and while they belongs to loops concept, guys. And if condition, if okay, else if they belongs to conditional statements. Okay, and try, and you can see hello, right? So try is there and rise, okay, rise is there, except is there. They belongs to what? Like exception handling, guys. Exception handling and lambda functions and membership operations in and not in also. In again not combination also. Not in which one? Like membership operations, global variables, non-local variables, lambda expressions. Okay, this all belongs to different topics, guys. That's why our main goal is by end of Python, we should cover all the keywords. We should know all the keywords. That's the main goal of this Python, guys. By end of our Python, we should know every keyword. All of you. When I say yes, Python is over. At that time, we recover one by one keyword. Okay, what is covered, what is not covered. At that time, we see, guys. Okay, right. So it's about keywords, guys. All of you. Okay, about keywords. Okay.